there! This is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life. In this tutorial today, we'll see how to crochet these cute little mushrooms. This is an easy tutorial. If you are a beginner or an advanced beginner level crocheter, you can definitely give this a try. This would be a great starting point for doing amigurumis. This is an easy to follow tutorial with a very minimum amount of materials needed. This would make perfect fall or autumn decor for your house, or these will also make perfect Christmas tree ornaments. So you can make these in different colors to suit your personal style. This tutorial will be worked in two parts. In the first part, we are going to see how to do the stem of the mushroom, and in the second part, we will see how to do the cap and the assembly of the entire mushroom. So before we begin with the actual tutorial, let me show you the tools and materials that you'll need to crochet these pretty mushrooms for yourself. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing that you'll need is the yarn. I'm using a size 2 acrylic yarn. Mustard is used for the cap of the mushroom and cream color is used for the stem. You can change the colors as per your preference. With this, you'll need a 2 mm crochet hook and a sharp pair of scissors. So this is all the tools and materials that you'll need to crochet these pretty mushrooms for yourself. Now let us start with the tutorial. So we are going to begin with the stem of the mushroom. Before we start with the tutorial, if you are fond of doing handmade decor for your home for autumn and fall, I've done a lot of different fall, autumn and Halloween tutorials in the past. You can find the link to the entire playlist with all the different tutorials in the description below. Do check it out. You'll find tutorials like pumpkin coasters, pumpkin plushies, and some different fall flowers for decorating and for making bouquets and so on. Do check it out and give it a try. So let us start with the stem of the mushroom. So the mushroom stem is done starting with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn 2 times around your index finger like this. Insert the hook under both the loops and gently remove the loops from your finger. Now do a chain stitch in the magic ring to secure it. This will not be counted as a stitch. I'm going to do 8 single crochets in the magic ring. If you're enjoying this tutorial, be sure to check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Once done with 8 single crochets, I am going to close the magic ring. Now we are not going to join the round, we are going to be working in continuous rounds, so you'll have to keep a track of the rounds. If you want, you can use a stitch marker for this. I like to keep counting the stitches, so I don't use stitch markers. Actually, use of stitch markers will slow down your speed a little bit, so it depends entirely on you. If you find it difficult to count the number of stitches, then you can easily use stitch markers. Now I am going to do 4 rounds without any increases or decreases, where I'll just do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So here I am done with the first 2 rounds. I am going to do 2 more the same way. We are not going to join the rounds. We will just work in continuous rounds. Do a total of 4 rounds without any increases or decreases. So you have a total of 8 stitches in the first round. So you'll have 8 stitches in the 5th round when you'll end with the 4th repetition. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making. So here I am done with all 4 repetitions. Now I'm just going to take this starting tail of yarn and put it inside the piece so that it won't bother you when you are crocheting. Now to continue, we are going to decrease 2 stitches. We have a total of 8 stitches right now. We need 6. So I'm going to decrease in the first 2 stitches. So do 2 single crochet together in the next 2 stitches. Now do 1 single crochet each in the next 2 stitches. Again do a decrease over the next 2 stitches. And now do 1 single crochet each over the remaining 2 stitches of this round. Now you have a total of 6 single crochets in this round. Now I'm going to do 3 rounds without any increases or decreases, where we'll have 6 single crochets each. Again, we'll not be joining anywhere, you'll just work in continuous rounds. So quickly do 3 more rounds with 1 single crochet in each stitch. So here I am done with all the rounds. So now the stem is done. Now we are going to make one last round for the stem for attaching it to the cap of the mushroom. So before doing that, I am going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch. And now we are going to do one last round of double crochet stitches. So to start with that, do chain 3. This will be counted as your first double crochet. Now do 2 double crochet stitches in the same place where you just did the slip stitch. Now we have 3 stitches in this stitch. Now I am going to do 3 double crochets in all the remaining 5 single crochets of this round. So keep doing 3 double crochet stitches in each stitch all the way around. Now once you reach the last stitch, do 3 double crochets in that stitch as well. And to finish off, I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain of the first chain 3 that we did in the beginning of this round. Do a slip stitch and the stem of your mushroom is ready. Now I'm not going to cut off the cream thread yet. We are going to do it later on when we will attach the cap to the mushroom. So with this, we are done with the stem and we are done with the first part of the mushroom tutorial. Now in the next part, I'm going to show you how to do the cap of the mushroom. So I'll see you in the next lesson. This is all from my side. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification button so that you do not miss out on any of the new tutorials that I put out. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next part. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.